Okay, let's try this next question. It says AB is a chord of circle center O. OE, so go from O to E. OE bisects AB. Whoa, they're telling us that this is perpendicular. It's telling you it's perpendicular. Well, they're telling you it bisects. And when a line from the center bisects the chord, goes to the midpoint, it is perpendicular. Well, we have to say that, actually. We're going to use it, I bet you, in here. ED is 8. From E to D is 8 centimeters, and OD, this little piece here, is X. So make sure you understand everything in the question before you start. Determine the radius OB. We're going to figure out this radius OB. And we know that AD is 12. Well, we're given that AD equals DE, so they've kind of told us what DB is. Well, let's see how I did it. We know that OB is equal to X plus 8 because they're both the radius, okay? They're both the radius. Let's see how I did this thing. We're going to determine this little x here. Well, FO is perpendicular to AB. We know that that's 90 degrees because the line from the center to the midpoint is perpendicular. We know it's perpendicular, so we know that that's 90 degrees. Well, that means that OB, x plus 8 squared, minus this x squared here, has to equal this point, which is 12 squared. And it's given that AD is equal to 12 and DB is equal. Maybe I should say that we know that DB is 12 because it's given that AD equals, it bisects AB, so we're given that. We know that that's going to equal 12 squared. Okay. Yeah, when we go the hypotenuse squared minus this side squared, it equals this short side squared, 12 squared. Now let's just solve this. X squared plus 16x plus 64. X squared minus x squared. Oh, 16x. That's nice. And then 64, take away 1/4 is 80. Divide by 16. We've got it. X is 5 centimeters. That's got to be 5 centimeters. Well, if that's 5 centimeters, then OB has got to be the same as OE, the radius. It's got to be 13 because 8 plus 5 is 13. So OB is just 13 centimeters. Because we were told that OB is x plus 8. We can see that it is on this straight line. So there you go. Question D all done.